If you are looking for the industry's go-to for a reliable, premium, synthetic rubber aquatic coating that offers excellent coverage, look no further than Ramuc A-2. Ramuc A-2 is perfect for gunite, plaster, and concrete surfaces. Ramuc A-2 cures to a high-gloss, durable finish that offers up to 4 years of service life. This product hides staining incredibly well and can be applied to bare concrete as well as over surfaces coated with synthetic or chlorinated rubber. Ramuc A-2 also features excellent chemical resistance and color retention. Ramuc A-2 is a great product for restoring synthetic or chlorinated rubber surfaces and features a self-priming formula that offers excellent coverage. For outdoor pools, Ramuc A-2 can return to service in 5 to 7 days. For indoor pools, Ramuc A-2 can be returned to service in 10 to 14 days. VOC compliant in the US and Canada, Ramuc A-2 is your go-to rubber aquatic coating.